And good morning, everybody. We're doing the final last task we need to do. The realtor will be here soon, and then this thing is hopefully getting sold today. That's crazy. First day back from the Bahamas, and potentially might get an offer on the house. All right, we just left the house. We're in downtown Tacoma, and they're gonna do their open house thing. So wish us luck. Hopefully we get some offers. He said it's got a lot of activity so far, so it should be pretty good. And then we just gotta burn a bunch of time today. All right, time for some Mexican food at the Matador in a very annoying BMW. All right, Mexican food was excellent as always. The Matador is very good. We're gonna go see Coco, the new animated movie. Should be pretty good. And I'll let you guys know how it is when we get back, but I'm not gonna bring the camera in there because that's frowned upon in movie theaters. And we're back. We just got out of the movie, Coco. It was very good. Pixar does it again, of course. They're very good at telling stories. It's a very good story about the importance of family and a little bit of the Day of the Dead stuff. But now we got the gear, head to the cafe, gonna get some work done and get some coffee. All right, we had to change positions because the internet at the first place was junk, but been working for a little while, just got the trading work done. Heather's been working on her blog. Now I'm going to study up on some photos and some video techniques. All right, we're just leaving Panera Bread. We can finally go back home. It'd be nice to go sit on the couch and relax and watch some YouTube, but we don't have a couch, so not an option. We're gonna head back home. We're gonna finish our leftovers from today and probably call it a day. And we're gonna do it all again tomorrow. I don't know if we have another open house tomorrow, but we are staying vacant so people can come see our house. So wish us luck. Reviewing offers later this week, but realtor said we had some pretty good turnout. So our fingers are crossed, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. And that was a lie. We're not on the next episode. We're on the same one because we're doing the same thing today as we did yesterday. I'm gonna tie that into one story. We're at BJ's. We're gonna get our favorite salad, a little ahi green vinaigrette, and then we got some other errands to run today, and it should be pretty good, and hopefully somebody likes our house and gives us an offer soon. All right, let's get some work done. Alright guys, we are back at a different Panera Bread. We are at Panera Bread again, and I'm trying out this guy. It's a Thunderbolt C cable for my laptop. I'm going to see if I can charge that off my USB battery bank. So that will be pretty much the last piece of the puzzle for my traveling power grid. If I can charge my laptop off this guy, that'll be crucial to keeping up on the edits and everything like that. I'm not gonna have Wi-Fi the entire time, obviously, but as long as I can have power, I can keep editing, get ready, videos ready to go, and get them out there so you guys can follow along and keep the adventures going. So here we go, let's give it a shot. No luck, didn't work. Sounds like it works if you have it to something that plugs into the wall, but it's not gonna have enough smash to charge up with the battery bank. I hope I have a Dell Power Companion charger, but that's only one charge, and then I need to plug that into the wall and charge that back up as well. So it is what it is. We'll have to figure it out, and yeah, we'll have to deal with it. So not a big deal, but I was really hoping that was gonna work. All right, we're just getting ready to leave Panera Bread. We're gonna be meeting my mother and her friend from Ketchikan for lunch or dinner, and then go get our pups. We haven't seen them yet, so we've been keeping them out of the house so it stays nice and clean for all the people that hopefully are gonna buy it. So I'm out here getting the car ready for the dogs, and she runs in here and steals all the puppy love from getting home from the vacation. Unbelievable.
this. Is that your daddy? Is that your daddy?
Oh yes, get the camera. Bad boy. Oh, get your chin. Go on your foot already.
He's biting me again.
Yeah.
He's like biting my face.
Give me my.
This is a lover. You bit me. You bit me multiple times. You bit me.
You guys miss your mom.
I got a lap dog.
You guys are sweet. Sweet dogs. Good pups. Thanks, Abe's. Thanks, sweetie. Good girl. Good girl. I miss you. I love you. Good girl. Oh, thanks, bud. Thanks, buddy. Love you, bud. Good dogs. Good dogs.
So stinking
Alright guys, we made it back to the house. The dogs are getting settled in. They're acting a little strange still because it is very empty. I just got the router back online, which is pretty annoying having to set that up every single time we leave the house. But it is what it is. And hopefully I will check back in with you guys when we have an offer. Fingers crossed, we're gonna accept offers on Wednesday. So I know it might be a couple days before I get back to vlogging, but I have some stuff I gotta put out anyways, so there'll be this video and the one before that isn't done yet. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great 2018. We'll do some goal setting here pretty soon, and obviously we have big plans coming up, so a lot of that is already set in stone for us, but it is always good to retouch, inspire, and share, and I hope you guys have a wonderful night.